Hi everybody, it's JNL back with another Body Beautiful video. I'm really excited to share with you some more of my at-home beauty rituals. They're gonna help you love the skin that you're in. You know, your skin is your largest organ, so you need to manually increase its circulation. Now you guys saw my brushing video. You wanna always be stroking up from the bottom towards the heart. So make sure you get your brushing in. Also, you saw my wonderful Firm My Figure coffee scrub, which I love. Thank you, Deluge. Now, I want you to make sure you exfoliate weekly, then hydrate. This is a 2-in-1. It's gonna save you time. It also is 100% natural, organic, no harsh full ingredients. So this is a JNL approved product, but it gets better. You ready? Okay, so you see these fun little things? We're gonna resize the thighs. We're gonna bring in that waistline. We're gonna get rid of the belly fat. Yay! All right, I'm gonna share with you another one of my favorite products. This is the anti-cellulite massage oil with coffee beans. You can see and hear coffee beans in there. It's also by Deluge. Powerful cooling and warming sensation, great to relieve sore muscles, moisturizes, firms tones, and again, smells so good. You got black pepper, ginger, grapefruit, camphor, basil, rosemary, juniper, eucalyptus, peppermint, and coffee beans. Improve circulation. So I'm going to share with you how I do it. So I like to use these anti-cellulite massagers. You want to just get in the shower here. Get a nice couple of pumps going. Put it all over your legs. Good. Your abdomen area. Belly. Oh, smells so good. You can even do the back of your arms if you got some back arm bra fat. Get around your waistline really good. Now that you're all oiled up, you want to take your massagers. Put them in your hand firmly. Put your foot up on a stool and get going. I like to use 2 to save time. And you just want to get that circulation going. Little small circles, reverse the circles, stroking up. You can start even at the calf. Bring it up towards the heart. Get the back of the thigh. Feels really, really, really good. Resizing the thighs. This is another great secret for everyone that is taken upon the skinny jean challenge. So now we're moving to the waistline. As you can see, to create that indentation, you want to love that waistline. Get in that lower abdominal area. Circulate right to left and left to right. Now you also want to use the track. So you want to go along the line of your digestion, starting with right hand, right side, up and around and down, up and around and down. Good. Let's get the other leg. Look, it only takes me about 2 minutes, but you just catapulted your results to blast fat, unlock and release the cellulite, the toxins. Very good. I love, you can smell, like your whole shower smells like a spa because of that eucalyptus. Take some cleansing inhales. Let's get going. Look at this power move. Inner thigh. Now let's get that belly again. Have fun with it. Instinctually, like, listen. If you're a little bit sore here on that tricep, give yourself a hug. Yes. All right, there you go. There's no right or wrong. Little small circular motions towards the heart, around the waistline, back of the arms. Oh yeah. So do this, I like to say, you know, every 3rd day when you have, I can feel the cooling sensation when you have some extra time or you're just feeling a little bloated. Maybe it's that time of the month and you want to get that circulation going and just love the skin that you're in. You can already see the circulation here. Look at the circulation. Tighten up the skin. This is great to also tighten up the skin. You can see the redness. Very nice. Let's get it on that thigh real quick. Whew. There you go. Those are some of my secrets. Again, do what you can. Get yourself some of these. Very inexpensive at Amazon. I love the anti-cellulite massage oil. One of the Deluge's top sellers. And it relieves sore muscles. My whole body's tingling with positive energy. And guess what? you're gonna get 20% off at JNL. When you use code JNL20 at delugecosmetics.com with your purchase over $50 or more, and you get free shipping. Okay, so a little gift to you guys. Happy Valentine's Day, and love the skin that you're in. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.